Almondegas. Meatballs. A main dish from Brazil. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Place wheat germ in 4 cups water for 3 hours. Drain wheat germ by placing in it a clean dishcloth and squeezing out water. Set aside. Step 2. In a blender, shred onion, peppermint leaves, pepper and salt. Step 3. In a big pan, mix the blended mixture into the wheat germ and ground meat. Mix well. Step 4. Roll and fry at a very high temperature. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.